Welcome to the AIGO app guide. Login process. Start by opening the app, entering your credentials, and optionally using Show Password. Ticket management. Navigate to the Tickets page to view your tasks. The menu includes To Be Worked, Solved Archive, and Profile, with a refresh button for updates. If no tickets are available, a message confirms this status. Ticket details. On the main screen, access ticket details like ID, opening date, time, device status, resolution details, and more. Save updates with solved time and solution text. From the instructions icon, view workflows with all associated media, including images, videos, PDFs, and text. Media retains proper ratios, even when resized. Videos are playable directly in-app. Virtual assistants. Use the VA feature to manage chats. Open a floating window to see existing chats or create new ones. Messages appear with answers on the left and questions on the right. Speech-to-text lets you ask questions by speaking, editing, and sending queries seamlessly. AR vision. From the main screen, use your camera to scan targets. Recognized elements trigger AR frames, and digital twins load smoothly in the AR results view. Once it's done, you can click Solved on Ticket Management and close. The closed ticket will be seen in Solved Archive.